How long do you fry it for?
Until it starts to get the color without being brown.
Okay, so that's the first batch, and then this is the second batch. And you're frying it with just oil and butter, right?
Yeah, a tiny bit of white pepper.
So you grate the onion so that kids will be able to eat it.
Yes.
And it's one whole onion you grate.
Now you need to transfer this.
Minced meat and onion, so egg, right?
Yeah.
What next?
2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Okay.
One deciliter of double cream. 1 tablespoon of beef stock. 1 tablespoon of syrup.
Light syrup.
Yeah, light syrup. Golden syrup, whatever you want to call it. A half a teaspoon of salt. Then mixy. So here is cabbage that we've cut and fried in oil and butter until it's soft and maybe a little bit brown, but not too brown, because it's still going to go in the oven. We're going to add some ingredients. We're going to start with the syrup. 2 tablespoons of syrup. Next is 2 pinches of black pepper.
2 pinches.
Yeah, 2 of
Does
them.
that make sense?
Yes.
2 pinches.
Yeah, 2 of that little.
2 pinch, not 2 pinches. 2 pinches. I knew this was almost spicy. My hands was touching this here. 2 pinches.
So,
Half a teaspoon of salt. What else?
mixy.
What next?
Butter ramekin, and then put the mincemeat in the bottom and the cabbage on top.
Oh, I thought you mix everything together.
No.
Oh.
And then you whack it in the oven when Mama comes. Half of the cabbage in the bottom of the ramekin.
How many grams of cabbage was this?
1 kg each.
And 500 grams of meat.
Yeah.
Mixed pork and beef.
Yeah. And yeah, this is peasant people's food. So you have a lot of cabbage and a little bit of meat because cabbage is cheap. In the past it was poor people's food. So meat was expensive.
Okay.
Hence why it's more cabbage than meat.
Ah.
So this is then gonna go in the oven for 40 minutes at 200 degrees, not fan.
Okay.
Till the queen of baby sun comes, then it's just gonna can't wait.
Yeah, so that's it.
Ouch.
Tomorrow you are.
This is Mama.
She was the one telling me I should be brave and eat 3 kids, and now she's smelling that one. Is it? Okay. So Mama liked it then.
Yeah.
Only if she doesn't, but she's pretending that she likes it.
Yeah.
For me, it was okay.
Finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.